What's up, guys? I'm sorry I can't be there with you today. I don't hardly ever miss school. Couldn't be helped today. I will see you tomorrow, I promise, on Tuesday. I want to show you a couple of examples that are from your homework so you'll have even more of an idea what you're doing. Hopefully you watched the video last night like you're supposed to really well. And it's still there. You go back and watch it some more if you need to so you can get this assignment turned in. But if not, here's a couple of examples from your homework. I'm going to do, let's see, you have 5 through 31 odds. So I'm gonna do number 8. Okay, number 8. Now, number 8 says h of g of 3. All right, now 2 ways you can do this. The best way is to take that 3, and you work backwards. You take the 3 and plug it into function g. So you do g of 3 first, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug the 3 into function g, which would look like 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 6. I'm gonna work that out. It'll be 9 minus 6, which is 3. And we'll get negative 3. Now, that's not the answer, because then wherever you get there, that negative 3, then you plug that into h, which is right here. So if I do h of negative 3, I'll get negative 3 cubed, which is negative 27. So the answer to the whole thing, the h of g of 3, is negative 27. All right, so one more time. You start with, for example, look at number 5, the first one. Number 5, you're going to plug 5 into function f right there. Then whatever you get with that answer, you're going to plug that into function g for all the x's, and whatever you get there, that's your final answer. Down here, like a 14, 13, you're going to plug 1 into f, get an answer, plug it into f again. Okay, so just do what it says. Okay, another thing you're going to see here towards the end, I'll go and do 31 for you. It's going to say find f of g. And it's not going to say a number, just f of g of x. Well, what you do when he says f of g is you plug the second one into the first. So I'm going to take this whole function at x squared minus 5 and plug it in there. So where the x is. So it's going to be square root of x squared minus 5 plus 5. Notice what I did. I took this x squared minus 5, plugged it in for that x. What happens when I do that? The 5's cancel. It was me x squared. What is the square root of x squared? It's x. And there you go. So whatever they give you, plug one into the other, work it out as far as you can. I'm going to show you one more. 39 through 43 odds. I'm going to do 40 now. This is as far as I'm concerned, this is the best part. It says you have to come up with 2 functions on your own such that if you do f of g of x, if you plug g into f, you get that answer. Now, what I'm not going to let you do is one answer can't just be x. One answer just can't be x. It can be anything else. So here's what I'm saying. Here's what it should look like. If I do f of x equals the cube root of x, and g of x equals x squared minus 8. Now remember, you're trying to come up with something so that is true. So that if you do f of g, you get what we started with. So think about what I just wrote up here. If I do f of g, which means I plug g into f, I'll plug this into there, do I get the function that I started with? And the answer is, oh yeah. So that's it. Okay, so all kind of answers you could come up with. Just make sure that when you plug g into function f, that you get the problem that you started with. And also, you cannot use just x for either one of them. That's kind of cheating. No x, no, just x. Hopefully that helps you a little bit. I will be there tomorrow. When you finish these problems, what I need you to do is take a picture of them with your phone and then submit them to Google Classroom so I can check you off that you did them. And I'll see you on Tuesday. Sorry I had to miss again. See you, bye.